Oh. Okay. Aaron, don't leave. Aaron, don't. Aaron! I love you!
No, I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done.
No, you're not.
This is bullshit.
I'm gonna go.
This is fucking bullshit.
I can't get off.
What is this?
I can't get off.
What is this?
I'm stuck.
What is my life? I can't do it, John.
I can't either.
I can't fucking do it anymore.
I'll tell you what, Aaron. You can give up now, or you can beat it up, because I certainly can't do it without you, and I know you can't do it without me.
I appreciate it, but look what we're dealing with, man.
Aaron,
you gotta draw the line somewhere.
Aaron,
you gotta draw a fucking line in the sand, dude.
Aaron,
you gotta make a statement. You gotta look inside yourself and say, what am I willing to put up with today?